Hi, in this lecture, how to arrange the equipment. Okay, we already create the equipment C1101, P1502A, P1502B, D1201. This is equipment name. How to add means just right click, go to 3D views, add. Okay, or else just use mouse left button, hold that button and drag it and release the button. Okay, here see the pump is added. Okay, for our convenience now I remove that, not delete. If you delete means entire equipment will be deleted. Just I click remove. Okay, now how to arrange the equipment? Go to equipment, modify table, give to origin, first give to equipment ID. Origin cannot be modified for template based equipment. Okay, just click that equipment. Okay, click that equipment, origin, equipment ID. See, this PDF is arrangement of equipment. See, this is 1201, this is 1101. See, the direction is given north, west and C1101. Elevation. This elevation is center line elevation. So you want this elevation is elevate from center line to some distance 106170. But here the elevation is starts from base plate of this C1101. Okay, so how to give ID is just use mouse left button, hold that left button and catch the point and release the button. Okay, no, see this equipment ID is now in base plate of this. Okay, now we want to position, go to home, move position. What is the direction is given here? This is elevation point. Elevation is nothing but up value 100 305, 100 305 and north 299850, 299850, west 316640, 316640, 316640. Just apply. The equipment is arranged in somewhere. Okay, next equipment is D1201. Go to view, seal limit. Okay, go to equipment, origin, equipment ID, the equipment ID in correct position. Okay, now go to home, move position. See this position, this is 1201. This is double pipe heat exchanger. This is another equipment corresponding to reflux term. So this is north for D1201. This is west for both common. This is different equipment E1302 E and B. Okay, see this tan line. Okay, this ID is located in tan line, center line. This is tan line, this is center line. Okay, now you north value 294502, 294502. Okay, and the west value 312370, 312370. and up value. This is 1201 equipment, up value is 106170. 106170. Apply. Okay, this is already in correct position. See this position. See this position is arranged. Okay, click that C1101. See that position is arranged, correctly arranged. Okay, now pump A. This the equipment is somewhere. Go to view, limit current element. Okay, here where is P1502A and B. This is P1502A, this is P1502B. Hi, in this lecture how to arrange the equipment. Okay, we already create the equipment C1101, P1502A, P1502B, D1201. This is equipment name. How to add means just right click, go to 3D views, add. Okay, or else just use mouse left button, hold that button and drag it and release the button. Okay, here see the pump is added. Okay, for our convenience now I remove that, not delete. If you delete means entire equipment will be deleted. Just I click remove. Okay, now how to arrange the equipment. Go to equipment, modify table, give to origin. First give to equipment ID. Origin cannot be modified for template based equipment. Okay, just click that equipment. Okay, click that equipment, origin, equipment ID. See this PDF is arrangement of equipment. See this is 1201, this is 1101. See the direction is given north, west and C1101. Elevation. This elevation is center line elevation. So you want this elevation is elevate from center line to some distance 106170. But here the elevation is starts from base plate of this C1101. Okay, so how to give ID is just use mouse left button, hold that left button and catch the point and release the button. Okay, no, see this equipment ID is now in base plate of this. Okay, now we want to position. Go to home, move position. What is the direction is given here? This is elevation point. Elevation is nothing but up value 100 305 100 305 and north 299850 299850 west 316640 316640 316640. Just apply. The equipment is arranged in somewhere. Okay, next equipment is D1201. Go to view, see limit. Okay, go to equipment, origin, equipment ID, the equipment ID in correct position. Okay, now go to home, move position. See this position, this is 1201, this is double pipe heat exchanger, this is another equipment corresponding to reflux term. So this is north for D1 D1201, this is west for both common, this is different equipment E1302 A and B. Okay, see this tan line. Okay, this ID is located in tan line, center line. This is tan line, this is center line. Okay, now you north value 294502, 294502. Okay, and the west value 312370, 312370, and up value, this is 1201 equipment, up value is 106170, 106170. Apply. Okay, this is already in correct position. See this position, see this position is arranged. Okay, click that C1101, see that position is arranged, correctly arranged. Okay, now pump A, this the equipment is somewhere, go to view, limit current element. Okay, here where is P1502A and B, this is P1502A, this is P1502B. Now select that equipment, and this is equipment, template equipment. Set template equipment is not create ID point, so just simple go to home, move position, just give position. Okay, P1502A, P1502B. The west is 30 95 10, north is 30 32 80, north is 30 32 80, 30 95 10. The pump elevation is pump elevation is 100 305, 100 305. Just give apply. Okay, the equipment already in correct position, so this also in correct position. See in top view, this is 1101 1201, this is two pump. See 1101 1201, this two pump. See the pump direction is this all equipment are facing north direction. Okay, depends on north direction. See our pump A and B, see the nozzle is in facing north direction, but our nozzle facing south direction. We want to move that equipment. Okay, just double click, do rotate. Specify the angle. Okay, 180, enter. Double click, select that equipment, click editor, select that equipment, double click, double click, 180, enter. Now see this PDF, same. Okay, now how to mirror the equipment? Go to home, first select that equipment. I select mirror D1201, go to home, copy mirror, click cursor, click design point, hold the left button in mouse, take that P point and leave that point. The plane is created. The plane created facing, see the direction is down direction, so the mirror is created opposite to this equipment. Click apply. Yes, the equipment is mirrored. Next, how to take a measurement? Go to home, click measurement, distance, hold the left button in mouse, take that P point, move P point. See the distance is 230. See? Okay. Next, how to identify the bore size of this equipment? I need this nozzle bore size means just move the cursor to that, just move the cursor to that nozzle and hold this shift button. I have no bore size and position. Okay, all the equipment is position is over. Another one last lecture for this equipment model is how to use command. Okay, thank you. Hi, in this lecture, how to use a basic command in equipment. Okay, first enable command window, go to tool, command window. Okay, command window is enabled. All the command, all the model command is attached in resource. Please take a printout to refer this command. Now again I do this equipment using command. First create equipment, new, EQUIP, all in capital letter. Okay, equipment, just EQIP, equipment, no need to type, fill, enter. The equipment is created. Now we want to rename the equipment. name slash d1201 dot enter. The equipment is created. Rename it. Okay, now create cylinder dish that supports using primitives. Here type show, all in capital letter, show double exclamatory gin primitives, primitives, enter. So the shapes are, this is switched to negative primitives. We want to give hole, that means extrusion. We want to need hole means use this switch to negative primitives. Okay, now I want to create cylinder whose cylinder height is 4W80, whose diameter is 1410. Click enter. Cylinders are created. The cylinders in wireframe mode. We want to change solid mode is press function plus F11. Okay, every equipment are facing in one direction, so all the equipment are facing north direction. We want to change the direction. We want to rotate it. Okay, 90 degree. Apply about x-axis, apply rotation. The equipment is changed. Now create dish. Okay, click dish, diameter is 1410, tab radius is 141, height 380. Enter. Create. So this is axis, press F and wireframe mode. See, the dish is created. Want to rotate the dish, play rotation. Now we want to move. Click align with the P point, pick P point. How to pick P point means use left button, hold the left button and drag it and release the button. Okay, now again we want to rotate. See, this one is created. Next we want to need dish 2. Same, rotate. Okay. If you have another one method, align with this P point means I take that P point and release the means the dish will come here. But another one method is you next select that dish, type dy by which direction we want to move is north. The distance is total cylinder distance 4800, off of the distance is 2400. Space with respect to WRT short form slash star. Enter. Okay, this 2 is created. Now create box. Click that box. See the parameter. This box is facing north direction. So in this is a north in direction. X is 300. Sorry, Y is 300. X is 1860. Height is 860. 1060. Tab 300. Tab height is 860. Create. Now the box is created. We need to change the datum point. Okay, because of this is of here, from here to here distance is 965. Half of the box from the cylinder end to half of the box is 965. So we need to change as per requirement. Okay, for as per convenience we want to change. Okay, look west, three. Okay, now we move this dish to from here to here. Now we want to move the dish from this point to this center of this cylinder. Okay, the total box height is 860. Half of the box height is 430. Okay, next command window, double click means it again comes here. Move to down, four 30, enter, and we need to move from here to here. Direction is south. Half of the cylinder is 2400, enter. Now from here to here is distance is 965. Okay, again move to north direction, distance is 965. Okay, enter. Box 1 is created. We need to use another box, means just type new box, copy pre. Copy pre means what are the measurement is already given in box 1. Okay, take that measurement. New box, copy pre by, we want to move from here to here. The distance is from here, this box to this box, distance is 2870. By which direction? North, 2870. 2870 with respect to /*. Click enter. Box 2 is created. I want to change to solid mode, function plus F11. See, box is created. Now want to know the axis of this cylinder. This is cylinder. We need to know this cylinder axis, means just axis at current element, CE, enter. See, the cylinder axes are in center. Okay, now we want to move, want to give ID. No, now check axis at current element. It's now here. Okay, this axis. Okay, now how to create a nozzle? Go to equipment, nozzle, name is M4. Click fancy nozzle, 300, some measurement, bore size 40, height is from here to here, total height is 800, create. See, is created. Now you want to rotate. -90°. About y-axis, apply rotation. Change to data point P2. Okay. Apply rotation. Okay. Now next. Type by from we want to move this nozzle from here to here. Type by up 800 with respect to enter. Okay, now the nozzle is in up. We want to move left, north side. We want to move north side means again north, some other distance like 800 or 400. Enter. See, the nozzle is moved. You want to again, we need a nozzle means another one nozzle means same as new nozzle NOZZ is short form. Copy pre. You want to move north by 1000. Okay, space. See, another one nozzle is created. This is the method to create equipment using command. Want to need Q attribute, QATT. Enter. See, the nozzle to pore size, height 800, and position, which position is all the information is here.